Baby fine, she so sexy. Ooh, she so sexy. Girl, shake that ass. I wanna see that ass flexing. Bitch, she suck this dick. She said she wanna bring her best friend. She ain't had no dick in a minute. Fuck the Netflix. I think her name Alexis. Ass fat, skin clear. I like her complexion.
Okay, welcome back to my channel, and today we are in my bathroom, boo. So if we're in my bathroom, you know we're either doing makeup or hair. So today we're going to be doing hair. Before I get into this video, I want to say make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, baby. And if you're new, hey boo. Okay, so I have on my AliPearl hair. I did a review on this hair about a month or so ago, and this hair will be 1 year old come October. Okay, so this is the older wig. This is one of the oldest wigs that I have. So I decided, why not recreate this hair, bring it back to life. It still looks pretty good to be as old as it is, and I did do a video on that. So if you're interested, just check it out on my channel. But I was thinking, let me bring this wig back to life even more, because I really, really want a bob cut, okay? And I've just been purchasing wigs over and over and over again. I have a wig on the way right now. It's a water wave wig. And I'm just like, okay, I can't keep ordering wigs, okay? So I'm going to cut this wig today. Let me go ahead and get into the products I'm going to be using, because I don't want to talk you guys to death, because I will do it. I want to start off by telling you guys I am going to be using the coconut oil. I found this at Wally World, baby. And I did share this before in previous videos, but this may be your first video of mine. And if it is, hey boo. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the Flat Iron Protector Straightening Mist. It protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit heat protectant. And it's 48 hours straight finish. And it says sleeked on there because it gives you that sleek look. Okay? So yeah, that's what I'm using too. And then I do like to go in with foam and lotion as well. I mainly use the foam and lotion at the top of my head to just make sure, it just helps it, you know, flattens out the top of my hair, okay? So I'm gonna go in. I had to go ahead and take those earrings out because I'm gonna be combing his hair and stuff. I'll put them back in for the finished look the finished look I get. I'm just gonna say, even if I mess up this wig, I'm still gonna post this video because I think it'll be funny for you guys to see me actually mess up my wig. But let's think positive, because is my camera cooking? It seemed like it was. Let's think positive, because we don't want the wig to be messed up. Okay, so I do have these scissors are really for cutting hair. These are not scissors, just for play scissors. These are actually for cutting hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix my top, because I think that's gonna help me determine where I need to cut it at. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this. Oh my god, I can't believe I really just cut it. Okay. So I'm okay with that length, because I want to give it those curls. I want to give it that big sexy look, you know? So I'm gonna go in and fix that up. But for right now, I am gonna go ahead and comb the other side out, because we're gonna need that combed out. Why am I dropping stuff, y'all? I'm all over the place. Okay, so, yeah. Okay, so, that's how that looks. Then I'm gonna go onto this side. Cut it. I'm always getting into something. There's always something with me, y'all. Okay, so, It's a second side. I feel like I cut more off on this side. So this is the look we have right now. I'll show you guys the full look. And this wig is really a middle part, but you can move it and make it a side part. But since I've cut it, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that anymore. So now I'm gonna go in and comb it. So I pretty much done cut my ends. Go ahead and comb it with any other loose hair, because you know after you cut your hair, sometimes you get some shedding or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and okay. So from this point, I'm scared to do anything else to it because I might mess it up. Well, okay. So from this point, I want to grab the ends, kind of just cut a little bit more. Because you know you have those ends that's kind of, you know, still long, so you're just trying to get everything straightened up. And I am nowhere near professional, you guys. I'm not at all. So. Go in and cut this side. I have one long piece. Y'all see that? I need to get rid of that. Okay. How it looks in the back. It don't look so bad. Okay. Okay, so I actually like it, y'all. I'm not trying to get super crazy, but I do kind of want to cut a little bit right here. Put some layers like in the front, so when I curl it, it can kind of flip back, you know? So I'm gonna cut that up a little bit more. Get that how I want it. Okay. Get some more body going in the hair. Whatever. So. See, I don't know how I'm gonna do this side because I'm right-handed, so I don't know how this is gonna work out. So this is what we have right now. And I want it to be a free, like, look. I don't want it perfect. It's not going to be perfect anyway if I'm doing it because I am not a stylist. But this is what we have right now. And for the most part, when I'm wearing the hair anyway, I mean, it's going to be... Yeah, I think it's cute. I mean, I haven't even styled it yet. But I'm going to go ahead and divide it. And the first thing I want to do at this point is I want to say I already have my curling iron and my straightener. I'm going to bring my straightener all the way up to 450 because I want it hot, really hot. So first things first, go ahead and spray both sides of my head with the heat protectant because now I'm ready to go in and style it. I'm ready to go in and style it, baby. Go ahead and get that. Okay. I don't know why I feel like my makeup is raining. Go ahead and style the hair, and I'm gonna fast forward through this process so you guys can see, and I'm gonna come back with the finished product. Boom. Back with the finished look. I know I'm gonna go in some more and cut it a little bit more, but I'm gonna do that another day, not right now, because I feel like I'm gonna get scissor happy and end up cutting too much hair off. But I feel like I like it. I feel like it's cute. I feel like I have a new wig, so that was really the main thing I was going for. That's really what I wanted from this look. So I really feel like I have a new wig, and I really like it. And I just curled it a little bit, but I think I would be open to just having it straight as well. So I think it'll be cute. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video, babies.